Welcome to in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that here scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you can see the ringtone, notification, media and alarm volume panel, so we can change the volume by this way just by swipe to the left or to the right side of these blue dots with our finger. Here we also have the silent mode switcher. We can activate or turn off the silent mode just by click once on each of the switcher. Also we have here the ringtone, notification and alarm sounds. We can change them just by select one from the sounds which you like. Here also we have the don't disturb section. We can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode. We can just change all the settings here. We can activate the alarm sound on the disturb mode to repeat the colors, just to switch the calls and notifications, permissions just from anyone, from contacts. And also we can here set the just schedule, the don't disturb mode schedule, this start time, this end time, here to add some events if you want. And also we have here more sound settings. We can turn on or turn off the dial pad tones, the screen lock and lock sounds, the touch sounds and vibration on touch. And also here we have the haptics. We can switch it from the 40 to 250 and just to turn it off or just to switch it to default. And also we can turn on or turn off the emergency alerts just by this way. Just click on each of the switchers, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.